Hello everyone, this is Shuyu and this is my Oscar Award Interactive Database project, and I'm gonna give you a code review for my project. So this project is written in Python 3 and I import all the packages to support this project, and these three global variable I will assign a temporary value to it. Okay. So this is the first module, the find movie by year module, and I'm using the widgets. I create a slider widget, a button widget, and a checkbox widget, and the widget output will be a separate object, and I define the find movie by year function. And in this function, I basically check if the checkbox is true. If it's true, then we need to exclude the watched movie, and then find a movie using the year, and otherwise I will just directly find a movie and return the result. And here I will replace all the space in the movie name to underscore, and that will give me the ability to use the RESTful API from Wikipedia to get the summary. And then I'm also creating a Google link so that you can click and search on Google. And this is the find movie by year mark watch module, and I create output and a button, and once the button is clicked, it will insert this value to the table. That table name is the current user name. So this is the way I handle all the user data. So each user will have its own table that containing all the IDs they have already watched. Okay, and the next next I create the box. The box is the Jupyter widgets VB box that is referring to the UI interface. This is one box. Okay, and the next module is find a random movie module. It also contains checkbox, button, and the output. And I will select a title and ID from the database, and using order by random. This order by random will give me a random output, and a limit 1 that will select the top one. And the title is stored as movie name, used to get the movie information and create the search link. The ID is used to be used by the mark watched module to insert to the user table. So the user table only contains the ID of the movie, and that makes it more compact, and because ID is unique, so it is easier to manage the data. Okay, and the third module is the find actor module. And to find our actor, my initial proposal is actually find actor between two years. But it actually has too many actor and actress, so I have limited the output to 10. The query will query the database and find the actor's name and year, and when I print the result, it actually limited to 10. Okay, the limit of 10 is created inside this print result function. So the print result function basically prints 10 times and return. Okay. So this makes you easier to change, and maybe I can add another slider to see how many like output I want. So the I could be changed. Yeah. And the last module is the create profile module, and here I can create profile, and basically I use the username as the table name to store the user data. And to create this table, it might have a table already exist error, and if I handle this error, I will say that this user is already exist, and I will set the current user to this user. And another one is check profile. Simply it use the username to check if there is a table that with this name, so we can check if a user is existed in the system. Okay, and here this is like how you group the box, and the Jupyter widget will create these tabs for you automatically. So it's very easy to use. Okay, that's the code review. Thank you.